It's install day. Here we go. Front headlights came in on the Mod Mustang 2011. Here are the old headlights. Little broken bracket up there. This is what it looks like when I bought it. Here's a picture of the rear. We're gonna fix all that. Passenger side. Time to open it up. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Old and new, side by side. This is what it looks like with out the headlights. Driver side, passenger side. Old headlights are out. New headlight is plugged in. I gotta do some trim work up at the top. Then we will install the headlight. Here's an up close of all the wires tied together, positive and negative for the LED. Obviously I got the turn signal I still gotta put in there. Here's where we're on the passenger side now with the new headlights. All the wires are tied up, twist tied. Positive and negative for the LED, and the halo is ready to go. Headlights in.